drones have practical applications in many fields. Commercial, such as leisure or delivery drones, and military, such as unmanned air vehicles or UAVs. The most commercial drones have just 4 to 8 propellers, and they can execute a variety of tasks, such as rolls, flips, and a handful can even coordinate themselves with other drones to make spectacular shows. In this class, you will learn a lot about drones, the science behind them, as well as the mathematics that makes the technology possible. We will learn how the drones feel the outside world, essentially what makes the drones see and hear. You'll be learning about the fundamentals about the drone and aviation technology. By the end of the period, you will walk home with enough knowledge to truly marvel at the stunning engineering involved in even the simplest of drones. In our first lesson, you will learn about the hardware. The task is simple. We are going to learn how the drones filter noise, balance, calibrate, and track its own motion. So if you think you're up for it, join us. We'll be expecting you.